Scrum in under a minute and a half. We start out with a backlog of work for the team. Backlog is pointed towards a product or a set of products that the team supports. The team gets together at the beginning of every sprint and does sprint planning, where they talk about several things like sizing stories, coming up with tasks, getting a plan that they can execute for the next sprint. Talking, loving life, making friends, doing good things, and then voting on their plan. Getting a commitment from that team that's planning their own work. Wow, that's cool. Autonomy. What they end up with is a set of top-ranked stories that fit into the team's sprint backlog that matches their sprint velocity. And then, as we execute through the sprint, we have a daily stand-up where we ask 3 questions. What'd you do yesterday? What are you going to do today? And any impediments? As the sprint ends, we do a sprint review or a sprint demo. That's where we show off the work that we did to our stakeholders. In order to continuously improve, we do sprint retrospectives where we ask what went well, what didn't go well, and what should we do better next time. And then we rinse, we repeat, and every sprint we improve. Thank you.